The ZX sneaker series reset the running scene in the 80s with a high-tech approach based on the physics of human motion. Fusing nostalgia with modern innovation, these streetwear shoes revived the retro style with a sock-like Adidas Prime Knit upper and a cutting-edge Adidas 4D midsole. The revolutionary, data-driven design gives you stability and controlled energy return for an ultra-responsive ride. Repeat viewers of this channel will know that I'm a big fan of the 4D technology, especially when it comes to the Adidas ZX 4000. I have every colorway of the silhouette released thus far. And I have to say that this latest silhouette might very well be my favorite colorway. Yes, I have reviewed this silhouette before, and I've also released a video where I ranked my favorite colorways of this silhouette. So this might be a shorter review of the Adidas ZX 4000 4D in the Easy Mint colorway. If you've seen any ZX 4000 4D silhouette, you've seen them all. The only thing that's different is the colorway and the shoelaces. They all have a rubber outsole, mainly consisting of black. This one has a turquoise type portion on the medial side of the shoe towards the back, and then hits of that high-res yellow on the heel and underneath the toe box. And of course you find that signature technology, the 4D midsole. Crafted with light and air, this 4D midsole is supposed to be the future of midsole technology. Not nearly as comfortable as Boost, definitely more comfortable than other technologies, but for now, for some, it's merely just a fad. You have your Prime Knit upper consisting of high-res yellow, linen green, and easy mint. The toe box area, you'll find that high-res yellow, and then moving along towards the medial side of the shoe, you have that high-res yellow mixed with a sort of sky blue colorway. Wrapping around the middle of the shoe from the lateral to the medial side and also acting as the lacing system, you have a royal blue suede type material. Stitched around the lacing system in a high-res orange color, you have 3 hits on the lateral and the medial side of the shoe. You will also find that royal blue and another splash of that orange on the heel of the shoe. On the middle of the shoe and the back of the shoe, the upper is that mixture of the Volt yellow as well as blue. On the lateral and medial side of the shoe towards the back, you have that suede leather type swatch of material. On the lateral side of the shoe, it's blank. And on the medial side of the shoe, you find the Adidas Trefoil logo branding as well as ZX 4000 4D debossed into the suede. Your tongue is in the Easy Mint colorway, and at the very top, you have the Adidas Trefoil logo and branding stitched in black. One last hint of leather. At the bottom of the lacing system, you find the ZX 4000 4D stamped into leather, and this is where your lace starts. Or ends, I suppose, depending on how you're considering the laces. When it comes to fit, I am true to size, a size 9. That's what I wear in Ultra Boosts, though, as I always say, I wear an 8.5 in all the Pharrells, I wear a 9.5 in the Yeezy 700, and I wear a size 10 in the Yeezy 350 V2s. This shoe fits a little bit long. I think from a length perspective, I could wear a size 8.5 and I would be just fine. However, the shoe also is a bit narrow towards the middle of the shoe, so really I'm kind of like an 8.75 in this shoe. I have 9s, I have an 8.5. Really, it's not that big of a deal. For me, true to size is fine, but again, I feel like there's just a little bit extra room at the end of the shoe. So lengthwise, it runs just a hair big. Doesn't mean I'm comfortable in telling you to go down half a size because again, it does fit a little bit narrow in the middle of the foot. I think this colorway along with the OG colorway, the white gray version, are my 2 favorite of them all. Not a big fan of the pictures that they've just released of the I Want, I Can't silhouette / colorway. Probably not going to get that one. Not really excited about it. So this colorway released on August 22nd, 2019 and retailed for $350. A lot of money. I know. That's an insane amount of money to charge for a shoe. It's new technology. They're charging for R&D. I get all of that. I love it, so I'm going to grab it. And of course, I want to talk about it, and I wear these shoes. So for me, that's okay. But for a normal person who just likes shoes and wants to buy a new shoe, I would try and find this under retail. I'm sure you can find any of the 4D Technology ZX4000 shoes under retail. Sometimes they're on sale on Adidas, sneakers and stuff, etc. But before you run out and buy these for retail, look at the resale sites because I'm sure that you're going to find a good deal on these. As always, leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know what you think about this colorway, what you think about the silhouette, and what you're thinking about the 4D technology. Some people think Adidas is screwing the pooch on these releases. I'm not really ready to say that. I like these colorways and I like this silhouette, but at some point, $350 or more, especially if you're going for like the consortiums, yeah, man, that's just, there's a handful of people that are going to run out and get that. So Adidas might need to consider some different alternatives when it comes to the 4D technology. And that does it for today's video. To all of you out there, wherever you are, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and just chill till the next episode.